You looked at my eyes, heavy with doubt. Said I can't believe it, words spilling out. Last night a dream where we danced on a thread, but nothing happened, just silence instead. The little bird sang a cry from the blue, a whisper of endings it already knew. The notes flew away like